Hello, welcome to the channel. We are doing short vowel O sound, which is O sound, and we have already covered OG family, OT family, and today we are going to do OP family. So let's begin. OP. The first word is OP family is COP. K sound produced by alphabet C. O short vowel O ending with P. COP. COP is a police officer. COP. Hop. H sound produced by alphabet H. O sound produced by short vowel O ending with a P. Hop is jumping. The kangaroo hops. This one is mop. M sound produced by alphabet M, short vowel O, and then ending with a P. Mop. Next one is top. T sound produced by alphabet T. O sound produced by short vowel O, ending with a P. Top reminded me of stop. Stop. Stir. S. Stir. Immediately write T. Stir. Ah. When you hear ah, it is short vowel O. And stop. That means you're going to end it in a P. So stop. The next one is a pop. P sound produced by alphabet P. Short vowel O when I say ah, pop, and then ending with a P again. So we have cop, hop, mop, top, stop, and pop. Remember this SH makes a sound of sh. Sh up becomes sharp. And this one too. CH makes a sound of ch. Ch up becomes chop. To cut, chop. And that's all in the op family. And let's move on to our sight words. Our sight words today are just like in the last lesson. They are most confusing words when it comes to writing. They are homophones and of course they are sight words. So let's begin the first word of that we have in our sight words. To. The second one that we have is to. And the third one that we have is to. This to is I want to go. So this to, a preposition. Now this to is I want to go to. That means as well, also. I want to have pencils and erasers too. That means you want to have pencils and you want to also have erasers. So this is TOO2. And this one is the numeric 2. 2. I am 2 years old. So TWO2. There is no sound of W. This is pronounced as 2. So 2, 2 and 2. Now let's write some sentences and see how they're different in the sentences. He, our sight word. Her had. TO2. Had to. GO, go. And then to again. He had to go to the, our sight word. And the one that we did in today's family, shop. He had to go to the shop. She, our sight word. Remember, WA makes a sound of wa. Won, want, ending with a T. Wants. She wants to. To is this one. That means she wants to go to. Now, this one means that she wants to join him. When he goes for shopping, she wants to go as well. So she also wants to go. This is TOO2. And this one is because she's going, an action is being done. Where? To. TO2. They, our sight word. THEY. They want. WA, wa, and then NT. Want to. That means this too. Not TOO, not TWO. They want to buy. Do you remember this? Buy. Now what are they doing? They're going for a shop. So they will buy. Which buy? BUY, buy. Two pens. That means the number 2. How many pens do they want? They want number 2. So they do not want TO2. They do not want TOO2 here. We want TWO. Now, the usage will only be understood by you more efficiently when you start writing sentences. When you will come across sentences where you'll be needing to write to TOO2 and TWO2, then you will know which one to use where. And I hope you are practicing at home. Lots and lots of practice will lead to a better reader and of course a better writer. So I hope to see you soon in the next lesson with next short vowel, which is I. This is our last vowel and we'll be covering it in the next lesson with some more sight words and hopefully some sentences.